Well, this is a bit of an unusual event. Full railway uniform on, not at the railway, as you'd all understand, because of course we're closed. But I just thought I'd give you a little insight today into what the general manager of the railway is doing on a bright sunny afternoon. As it happens, I've been in a few meetings virtually this morning, and now I've come outside to my front garden to just give you a little insight into the postal system that currently is operating here. Like everyone else, we get a few deliveries and they appear every now and again, and we're very careful how we handle those. And then over the last few days, through the generosity of so many of our members who've been going on the Amazon scheme to send us gifts, which have been directed to my house because of course the railway isn't staffed at all, a trickle of things started to come along. This has got to an epidemic proportion over the weekend, to coin a phrase, and now as I move towards the front door you'll see it's actually quite difficult to get inside. Anyway, it seemed about time. Actually the parcels have been here just a few days to make sure they're safe to touch and use. I've got my appropriate PPE with me, as you'd expect, and I've now got the pleasure this afternoon of starting and hopefully managing to secure away all these things that you've kindly donated to us. So here we go, first parcel at the ready, quite a number to do, and I'll be back with you in half an hour or so.